Namaskar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Astro Vastu Savvy. In today's video, I will be discussing with you your Rashi Fal, your zodiac horoscope for the month of June 2025. What is in store for each one of you, especially if you're somebody who is governed and ruled by Aries as their zodiac sign. So let's quickly dive into today's video. Also, if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, because from this channel, I bring to you very informational videos from the field of astrology, numerology, Vastu, as well as the other occult sciences. Now in today's video, we are speaking about Aries zodiac horoscope for the month of June 2025. And before we begin with the video and I tell you how your month is actually looking like, let's quickly see and analyze the transit for the month of 2025 June. What are the planetary movements? Where are these planets transiting as per your particular zodiac Aries? So first, let's begin with Sun, because every energy across this universe starts and finds its origin from the most important planet in the astrological chart, which is Sun. So Sun for you, Aries, is going to remain in the Taurus zodiac till the 15th of June, and this placement is going to impact the second house of your horoscope from your zodiac sign directly, and post 15th June it is going to transit into Gemini, which is placed in the third house from your zodiac. After that, let's speak about Mars, which is the ruling planet for your zodiac sign. Mars is going to remain debiliated in Cancer, and it will remain so until the 6th of June. Post that, it is going to transit into Leo, which is going to impact the 5th and the 4th house of your zodiac during this transit. And in Leo, it is going to be placed until the 28th of July. So 4th house primarily being the house for materialistic gains for you. And also, let's not forget that this is the planet which directly impacts you as an individual, because it is the ruling planet for your zodiac sign. So currently Mars is debiliated. That means it is in a very weak position in the 4th house of your horoscope, which is bringing some obstacles, some problems related to finances, related to your maternal health, related to your relations with your mother. But once this transit is going to happen on the 6th of June, things are likely to feel uphill for you. Let's speak about Mercury now. Mercury is going to continue remaining in its own zodiac, which is Gemini, until the 6th of June. From the 6th of June until the 22nd of June, and then it is going to move into Cancer. It is going to activate the energies of the 3rd and the 4th house for your zodiac sign. Jupiter is going also to be placed in Gemini since the 14th of May, and this is also impacting the 3rd house of your horoscope. So specifically for Aries, firstly, a lot of combinations directly are impacting the 3rd and the 4th house of your horoscope, which directly means that all your hard work is going to convert into materialistic gains in the coming season, in the coming time. So June likely is going to be a rather occasional and also a very auspicious month for you. Venus now is placed in Aries, and since the 31st of May, and it has already left its exalted sign. Now, once Venus transited from its exalted sign to your own zodiac sign, this also guarantees a lot of opportunities for those who have been looking to get married, for those who've been trying to find a suitable partner for them. This placement and this movement of Venus is also likely to bring across you a suitable partner or a suitable companionship in the time to come. Saturn's transit on the 29th of March into Pisces also directly impacted the Aries zodiac, because with this transit itself, all the Aries people who are governed by the zodiac have directly been under the influence of the Sadhe Sati of Saturn. So with this movement of Saturn, the Sadhe Sati, the first charan of the Sadhe Sati for the Aries zodiac has also started. As per Rahu and Ketu, Rahu is going to be placed for 18 months in the Aquarius zodiac, and Ketu, right 180-degree opposite to it, is going to be placed in Leo for another 1.5 years. That is a time span of 18 months. Apart from that, For the Aries zodiac, the month of June is definitely going to bring a lot of changes, a lot of new opportunities for you. This month, the movement of the planets will affect your career, your finances, your relationships, and your health very, very deeply. Your health is likely to improve during the period of this time, especially if you have been suffering from a lot of chronic diseases. Then this month is going to bring you a lot of relief and a lot of positive energy in terms of your health. However, you have to be certain. You have to be a certain amount of cautious in terms of your finance and career, because big changes are going to happen, but also at the same time it is going to be very, very vital for you that you do not take any big decisions in haste. So avoid haste in, especially if you're planning to invest your money into new sources, into new projects, any such decisions. Please make sure that you are taking such decisions thoughtfully and with deep consideration. This time is going to be better for you, especially for those who are connected to the field of studies at the moment. So if you're a student, and especially if you're somebody who works related to in fields related to technical fields or artists, even for you people in terms of your career, this time is definitely going to bring you a lot of good opportunities. There will be peace, happiness, and a lot of prosperity in the family life, and there is going to be a very, very big chance that you probably get an occasion where all the family can get together and you can celebrate something that really brings joy to each one of you. This is the time when you have to actually utilize your inner strength, your determination, and make sure that whatever opportunities you are getting, you do not waste time, and you make sure that you're able to grasp and grab these opportunities and extract the full potential out of yourself and the opportunity coming your way. Make plans very, very carefully during this period of time, and embrace the changes that are actually coming for you in the month of June. All over June for you, Aries, is going to bring new opportunities, new changes, and a lot of uphill stories you will have, you are going to have to share by the end of the month of June, because it's going to be a rather eventful month for the zodiac of Aries. So I hope that you did like the video today. If you did like the video today, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more such content and for more such videos. Also, during the month of June, if there is one particular remedy that you must do if you are somebody governed by the Aries zodiac, is that you must carry a red jasper or a red carnelian stone with you. And specifically, if you meditate holding this stone in your left hand and only chant Lam, this mantra itself is going to energize your root chakra, your base chakra, and will strengthen the Mars and will strengthen your deeply impacted planet, which is Mars, and will bring out the best in you. It is going to enhance your strength, your willpower, your determination, and everything that is coming your way is going to bring you a lot of success and a lot of prosperity. So if you did like the video today, please feel free to share it with your friends and family as well. Until then, please stay tuned to my channel, and I will be coming back with more such videos. Namaskar.